Hi, welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. It's my second one today. Hey, feast or famine, huh? Well, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Glad to have you here. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, if you're old enough to remember that song. Okay, this is my winter journal, my winter Days of Winter journal. Y'all know this is a prompt journal. Okay, um, I'm doing it with my group. Stay creating, crafting circle. Stay creative, crafting circle is the group I'm in, and they're sponsoring this challenge. And it got 15 prompts, and you can take your time on it. There's no limited time, and good because this is my first time doing a journal with prompts. Not a journal, but a journal with prompts, following the directions, you know. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you what I have already. The 15 prompts is, I got to make a winter tag. I got to check them off. Winter tag, ribbon or lace. Okay. This is a winter tag. Got lace on it. Okay. And it says a hidden pocket. A hidden note. On the back of that is a hidden pocket. And this is a hidden note. The note says, therefore he is able to save completely those who come to God through him, because he always lives to intercede for them. Hebrews 7:25. If I forgot to tell you, my group is faith-based. Isn't that wonderful? Okay. Now today, what I done was I started inking the paper. I have a stamp that has writing on it. I inked the stamp. So it's done. You know, because a page, when you're doing something in a book from scratch, see, this is new. The paper could look really big being plain. So you can knock the edge off of paper by just putting some paint on it. Putting some paint, highlighter, marker, or whatever, just to kind of calm that paper. Let me show you. I gotta demonstrate. Calm this big blank page. To calm it down. You know, it looks like a lot. You know, if you haven't done it before, it looks like a lot. But just putting some ink on it. Put whatever you want on it. You can sew on it if you want to, just whatever. It helps to knock the edge off of it. Okay, so I got the winter tag, ribbon, lace, hidden pocket. Okay, it's asking for a snowflake cluster on the third day. I haven't made a snowflake cluster because I'm gonna have to look up exactly what that is, what this is supposed to look like. Flip up is for day 5, and my stuff is out of order, but when I finish, everything's gonna be in order. I might be a little unorthodox with my first prompt journal, but here it is. This is my you want to flip up or flip down journal. There we go. I made this out of cardstock and lace and paper. It's right on this paper, journal right on this paper. Okay. Let's see. Do I have anything else? I'm not paying that if I could check this off. Flip up, flip down, yep. Oh, I had, and it wants Prompt 6 is shaken piece or window element. Let me find the shaken piece or window element. Oh, look, y'all. Now, this is cute. This is cute. Let me move this out the way because I don't want it to take its shine. This is the window element. Made this out of cardstock, lace, little swallows. And I already had some of the windows made. You see, that's the thing about making stuff ahead of time. In this box right here, I got this box. I'll keep on my desk. It got all kind of little stuff that I've been making, that I needed hands reach. Okay. It wanted the window. Let me read it again. Is a shaken piece. Shake, 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 shake. Shake. Oh! Well, I'll keep you out of it. I can glue that, but I choose not to because I'm going to put some more shakies in there. This is a key. I love this key. I'm waiting on them to ask for something with a key. I got you. All right. Shaken piece or window element. This is a shaken. Put it in there. I left the top open. And I had some little jewels that I got in the mail. And I put that in there. So, shake it, shake it, shake it. And, let's see. Bookmark or tag envelope with a journal inside. Fabric or trim edge. Fabric or trim edge. Let me show you some fabric or trim edge. Told you I'm unorthodox. I'm gonna get it done. I may do it a different way, but I'm gonna get it done. This is a card with the hidden note. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Let's see if I can get it out. Grab something. Let me grab something. Come on, little cord. Come on, little cord. No, this is right there. Let me see if it drop out. Yeah, there you go. Everything dropped out. Okay. This is a card with a hidden note. I made this card some time ago, and no, stuff is not stuck in my book yet because some of my stuff is thick, and I gotta finish the rest of these pages. All right, there's a sticker right here. I put right here. It's a little boy and a flower. Just kind of decorated a little bit. I've been having this card. I just put some decorations on it, and the prompt is asking for where I seen that at? It's asking for a card with a hidden message. It's Isaiah 26:3. You will keep in perfect peace him whose mind is steadfast because he trusts in you. Okay, put that little secret note back there. Okay. I got a laced page with pockets. So, I've done at least 6 of the, they were looking for a trim. I can remember when I went back to school. I went back to college at age 50 to get my degree in nursing. I went back to school at age 50. And I mean, I was in the classroom with these young people, okay? And I still worked. I worked 12-hour shifts and go to school. But saying that to say this is, I can remember studying something. And it was just like this. I learned different. I studied different. I learned different. I take my exams oral because that's just the way my mind is set up. I can take an oral test. And thank God they have stuff like that. You know, everybody don't test the same. but I'm good at passing the test. But it has to be oral. The little checkoffs, I can't make it with that. And one time, I went to take an exam, a final exam, y'all, a final exam to pass the class, and everything happened. Everything that would happen could happen in the exam room with all the computers, a whole bunch of hot computers in there. I guess it just malfunctioned. I had to take one of the paper tests with the color dots. I didn't even start that. I can't do that. So I had to resign because I wasn't going to do that to myself because that's not how I test. Anyway, getting back to what I'm doing. Um, Lace trim page. Let's see, lace or just a trimmed page. Fabric or trimmed edge paste. There we go. Page. Some cardstock. And this is some trim fabric. There it is. Y'all probably be laughing at me before it's over. Cause hey, this is gonna be different, but it's gonna be done. Yeah. That's how I do it. Got a card in this pocket. With a script on it. Okay, that's it. No need me holding up things. This is my winter days of winter journal, and when I finish, it's gonna have all kind of pretty. It's gonna also have some It's everything winter. It's gonna have some icicles on it. I'm trying to learn how to make some icicles. Y'all remember when we was in school, we was able to make some icicles with some paper, and we fold the paper a certain kind of way. I remember everything. My memory is real good. We fold the paper a certain way, like we're making a boat or something, and you cut the paper a certain way. And when you open up the paper, you got an icicle. Who remember that? Who remember that? I'll wait. I know y'all do. Y'all remember that? Put something in the comments saying y'all remember it. Um, this is Miss T Ideas. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. It was fun for me. Cause you know, I get a kick out of myself because I do things different, and I'm okay with that. You know, I like to follow directions. I do, and I do follow directions. At the end of the day, you're gonna have. I was clerical too. At the end of the day, you're gonna have what you need. I may go around in a different way getting it, but you will have what you need. This is Miss T Ideas. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for putting up with me and my shenanigans. Good shenanigans, though. God bless each and every one. Y'all stay safe. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate it so, so much. I'm going up to 600. We can do this. Like and share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye-bye.